What's going on? Just pulled up to the shop. See the gang over here. Ooh, look at that angle. Ooh, I see you, bro. Look at that angle. What's up, blood?
What's up, brother?
What's up, cuz?
What's up, blood?
What going on here? Oh, they putting lips on. Look like she got some Botox now.
I was putting my lip on before you put yours on. That's literally what I just said. I was like, I gotta beat Aaron and putting the lip on.
Man, you know, I've been talking about that too. Like, I need to put the lip on.
Yeah, Will, now, boy, I see you, nigga. I see you, blood.
Yeah, I already know, nigga. I knew you weren't keeping that. You just need the steering column, fool.
I gotta, finally got in contact with NRG.
Yeah, I need a fucking, what's the name from them?
NRG about to send me the, they new
Steering wheel?
forged carbon fiber wheel.
Oh, okay.
It's like brand new. They posted it on the Instagram yesterday. I was like, I want that one. They're like, all right.
I need a, what's the name, a release thing so I can put my steering wheel in.
Huh?
I need the, what's the name? The
quick
hub?
release?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, just getting back from AutoZone because O'Reilly tried to play me. They tried to just sell me the pump without the strainer and everything, man. So I just want to have to go run over to AutoZone. That was right across the street. This is the whole unit already put together. So I ain't really got to do a whole lot of. The plan is to get this into the tank today. I might do it. I'll probably just get the tank off today. Who knows? Who knows how lazy I be? You know, it's a lot going on in my life right now that I don't need to be on camera. But anyways, it might be in there today. Who knows? But I'm about to drop this tank and get this fuel pressure better than what it's doing.
Hey, Aaron, can you line this up on that side?
Nah, fuck that, nigga. Nah, I said fuck that. So now let's drop this tank. Damn, he look good. I'm mad. This fool done got his lip on before me, and that's all I've been talking about. What's next? The lip. They made the whole car. They just, yeah. That look good. Remember, if the two bolts that holds the straps will hold the tank up too, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the jack right here, so this damn thing won't fall on my fucking face. And then y'all be sitting here laughing at that. You did? Huh?
You ugly anyway.
Tell it to your face.
Nah, I think that it's the strap that holds it, but remember the filler neck.
Okay.
The 4 bolts in the filler neck.
Yeah.
And then it should be the straps. And then I think last time, remember, it was a piece over that we was
Oh, the whole, we got
that we was waiting for the last. You said that you said you come by Friday or something for tomorrow. She said
Get these 3 little bolts. Oh, it's 3 of them. These 3. And then I believe it should drop, and then I can pull the what's the name out. So let's get it.
you got the filler neck?
The
The filler neck.
Yeah, I know. Got the gas tank down. She's on the ground. Now let's unhook some things. You know, clean this up. I'm under here. Man. Cool little lunch break. Ain't gonna get back at it. Just sitting there. All right, got the old fuel pump out, man. The fucking thing wasn't even on yet, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one in there, and then I need to run back to AutoZone to go get another fuel filter, cause without this really been on there, I don't know if it's probably, I don't want it nothing to clog up my injectors or nothing. So you see, right? Gas tank for this tank, you know. It's not all rusty or nothing in the inside, so it look good up in there. Just looking around, trying to see what's good. But I got the fuel pump out, so I'm about to go ahead and put the new one in. Just checking up in there to see if I can see anything floating around, really. Here go the new pump. So I bought the pump that's basically already put together. Just drop it in. So you see it got the sock and everything right there, man. And the sock not even floating in my gas tank. So this pump right here did not have one on there at all. And so we got one on here, as you see. Everything put together, so I'm about to go ahead and drop her in and get this gas tank back up. Then run and go get our oil filter. Oh, you nigga?
Call me daddy.
Nah, nigga, what's up, little bruh?
Call me daddy.
What's up, little bruh?
I'm gonna take that shit back out.
No, you can't take it out, little bruh. Don't do me like that, man. Hey, I could not get that shit up in there, but little bruh figured it out.
I'm your Aaron and Aaron's my Aaron. I'm helping you with this shit and Aaron's lowering my car.
Hey, we get these things ready though, man. We get it. Hey, Aaron, you gotta find you one, and I gotta go find a Corvette or a 350Z.
You gotta find me my own Aaron.
Oh,
Tomorrow's gonna be Aaron's Aaron.
yeah, fuck it.
Then the phrase will change after that. The phrase it'll go from I'm your Jamar to Aaron's my Jamar, and then Jamar needs a Jamar.
Yeah, man. So the new pump is in here now. So let me bolt this stuff down and then get the gas tank back up and see what's good.
Hey, Aaron, real quick.
Years, man. After all these years, this car runs very smooth, and I'm very like. That's almost like when I got out of prison, bruh. How the white one started up, and it just, you know what I'm saying?
It was out of gas last time.
Yeah. Fuel lines back put together. So now it's time to put this tank back up where it belongs. So let's get her done. Get her done. Damn, she look good. I ain't gonna lie, bruh. Normal time I hate that fucking lip make this bitch look better. Asshole.
It's lower, man.
He said your shit maxed out?
Yeah, that's what he said. Probably wanted to go. I thought he did all four corners that quick.
I was about to say, damn, nigga. Come raise my shit.
I'm gonna lower that.
Man, I need to wash this rear end down. God, all that dust on that thing. I'm for sure gonna put a power washer up under here, man. So, last boat and the tank is back up. The new pump is in. The lines is already ran. Then I need to go. I'm gonna go get another one because this is kind of old. But if y'all don't see me on camera changing it, do know that it is gonna be changed. So, yep. I'm gonna finish boating this up and then drop her back down to the wheel, starting her up, and see how she do now with the new with the new fuel pump in there. These boats back up in there, and then it's done. You dig? Boom. Yep, so new fuel pump is in, so that's what he said that I needed. Because my other fuel pump was dropping pressure, so we'll see. Well, like I say, old pump is out now, baby. So we ready to go. Put this up in the box. Drop the car, start her up and see how she sound. See how what she do with the new pump. You know, gotta let this pump pick up some gas and stuff, so let's get it. Fuck. Car too damn low. On her wheels. Let me get her off this block.
Oh yeah, I got doors.
I ain't gotta just walk around and go to the driver's side and roll the window down and open the door no more. Damn, where'd the key go? Oh, there's another door. New pump is in and everything. I should have got it before, but let me start it up to show y'all. I know y'all probably seen it last time I was starting it up, but I was having a little fuel light. I mean, the AFR was red. That mean it was bad because of the fuel pump or something, but check it out now. See? So it stays out the red now. That's good. So I just need a tune, man. Once I get a tune, it'll be better, you know, but I need a tune. So now she's out the red with the fuel pump. So really it's basically time for tuning and getting her registered and stuff now. So that's what we're gonna be working on next, man. The lip and everything, we're gonna get ready to do that. And I need to raise the front some because I cannot get a jack up under there. So if you see, the front is very low. But you know, I like the way Michael's shit look with that lip, so I can't wait to put mine on and raise the front, man. But she's back on the ground. She sound better with the fuel pump. So getting closer and closer. It was another good day, man, out here with the boys and everything. Got a lot of things done with the car. So basically, really, it's just time to get it tuned with the new pump and everything. So once I get that car tuned and everything and it registered, man, y'all be seeing me drive the car. But really, last is just really putting the seats in, putting the lip on, getting it tuned, registered, and hey, she be back on the road, man. So we working. That's all I can say. We working, man. Let's get it. Man.